What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Gunny Trades here to break down how I approach the stock market. So, as you can see, this is the Nasdaq chart. I'm going to pull it up on the hourly just so you guys can get an overall picture of what's going on. So, this morning, let me show you how I planned my trade. So, I'm looking for pretty much, you could see that last night we pushed up into this supply and we were rejecting down into the open. This is the opening candle here on the hourly. You can see that this is Thursday's low. So I'm looking to see, do we hold here or do we break down? So what I'm looking for is, do we hold this demand at 25,000 and bounce back up, or do we break below it? Can we get a retest and then push back lower with targets into that Friday open area? The reason I'm targeting that is because that's the next leg down. With this bounce here, let me move this for you guys. If I'm taking a bounce here, I would want to target this Friday highs because that's where the next leg up was. So that is what I did today. And then if we did break above this, I'd be looking to, get up to this next leg higher up here. Really, it's the market likes to just play ping pong off areas that it's been at, supply and demand. So we kind of opened up in demand here at this 25,000. It is a big psychological number, so that's another reason I was looking for longs here. But as you can see now, if we go down to the 5-minute chart, this is our third time here. So are we going to hold here or do we go down? We are losing it right now. We got a nice little bear flag on the 5 minutes for now. So we could push lower, but you never know. I'm not going to trade right now because it's 1:30 in the afternoon, but that's kind of what I look for. So held it here once, held it here twice. Do we hold it a third time? Possibly. Not really interested in it. Well, it's kind of dumping right now. But that's what I look for. So where have we been? We held demand here previously, so I'm looking to hold it again. Or do we break it and then go to the next leg down? That's kind of what I do every day. Bounce and rejects, break and retest. It's all supply and demand. So we rejected last night. I mean, obviously, it made a big move down. I didn't feel like we had much more room down until we did lose this 25,000. That's why I took longs. We are still below this previous all-time high. But yeah, that's how I approach it. The market likes to move in waves. You can see waves, waves. Where can we get in at? Where do we sell? So ideally, you want to buy when it's low, sell when it's high. If it's down here at the lows, do I want to try and sell right now? Maybe not. Maybe it would have been better to get a little reject here. Just all depends on how you approach it. You want to buy when it's low, sell when it's high. It literally just plays ping pong with where it's been. You don't have to guess. You just need to react to what is happening. So as you can see this morning, it kind of faked out, reclaimed. That's why we went long. If it would have failed aggressively, did that retest like I mentioned, then we would have did shorts. So really, you just got to react to what is actually happening. You don't have to predict. The market loves to go where it's been previously.